cinnamon pancake with apple and honey. Wow! Doesn't the name tells how yummy it will be? It is. So let's quickly check out how to make this yummy pancake. Welcome to my channel, The Purple Box. At The Purple Box, we create easy and simple dishes like this, which can be easily done at home. Let's quickly rush to the kitchen and find out the ingredients. Some all-purpose flour or maida, milk, oops, it's going away, some eggs, apples cut into small pieces, honey, of course we need honey, yummy, and some cinnamon powder. Last but not the least, some sugar. The list of ingredients with the quantity will be given at the end, so just enjoy the cooking experience. Take 2 eggs in a bowl and then add sugar. In between, just powder the sugar or use caster sugar if you get it in the market. Remember, we need the sugar in powder form. Now whisk it properly so that the sugar blends in the egg. Add milk and whisk again. After some time, add the all-purpose flour or maida and again with the beater, just keep beating or whisking it. I have this one. It helps me do it faster. See? With the hand when you press, it moves to and fro very fast. So I will be using this. You can do it with a regular beater. You will find out that after some time it becomes a smooth batter or paste like this. See the consistency. Now add the cinnamon powder and then mix it uniformly in the batter. Do subscribe to our channel, The Purple Box, for such easy and interesting dishes. Leave the batter aside for 1 hour. See, it has thickened than earlier. Now take a pan, heat some oil on the center of the pan. I will be doing the pancake in minimum oil, so I am using a brush to uniformly spread the oil, and then now take the batter. In the center, gradually pour the batter. It will spread like a circle. Then add the apple pieces one by one. Now cover it, keep it in a low flame and allow the pancake to get cooked. Don't forget to like our video, press the thumbs up button below. Now turn the other side of the pancake and then allow it to fry in a low heat again. Press it from the top. That will help to get the apple also cooked uniformly with the pancake. After some time, flip the pancake again and fry the previous side. Again I have flipped it, the other side. So you need to flip both the sides and cook both the sides equally a couple of times. When both the sides have this lovely beautiful brown color, then take it out. Showing you the whole process again. Do share this video with your loved ones so that they can also make the same pancake. Our cinnamon pancake with apple and honey is almost done. See, again lovely brown colors on both the sides. Now take them out and one after another place them on the serving dish. And on each pancake, add as much of honey as you want to put. I am putting quite a lot of honey because I just love the flavor of honey on my pancakes. As promised earlier, I am giving you a list of the ingredients with the specific quantity. Take a screenshot of this so that you can share with your loved ones later or refer to this. My pancake is ready to be served. Just see it close. You will start drooling. It's so yummy. I just love pancakes, and especially when they have apple and honey in them. Do try this at home. In the comment section, write whatever you want to discuss with me. Till then, bye.